Hi, Sam here from Subaru of Puyallup, your stress-free dealership, here to show you how to replace a key fob battery. One thing you might notice when you're getting inside your car going to start it, in your middle screen where your tachometer is, it's gonna say low access key battery. That's gonna be this guy I'm gonna show you how to replace. So first, I want you to grab your key fob. There's this silver square button on that back. I want you to press it while pulling where this, usually yours should have a keychain bundle, but some don't, some do. I want you to pull that, which is gonna allow you to take your key out, which is gonna be your hide a key is what I call it. What I'm gonna do with still holding, you don't necessarily have to hold that button, but I do. I want to put my key about a quarter way in, and then I'm going to pull the shank and allow that to come undone. You'll see these two pieces breaking free from each other. Pry between the two and you are gonna get it open. Once you see the old battery, or the current battery is what we're gonna call it, there's gonna be a number on it. This specific key fob battery is a CR2032. You can purchase them from our parts department, or some people do good old Amazon. It's really up to you. The goal here is to get it safely replaced. So what I want you to do is take your guts, is what we're gonna call it. It's what I call it. We're gonna pull that out. And then I still use that same shank key, and I will put it underneath the battery and pop that battery out. Be careful, because you do have tabs underneath the battery that are pretty sensitive, but I think I did good on that. So now you're gonna see you have the guts that are now batteryless. Grab that new battery. So you're going to safely put it underneath the tabs, press down still with that battery number showing on the top side here. So now that you've got your battery safely replaced in there, we are going to put the battery and the silver square next to each other safely inside that key fob battery. We are going to take the solo part here, gonna put that square, line it up with the square that you pressed that button with, and we're going to push them back together. So closing that all back up, you should be able to put your key shank, again pressing the button right back into the fob, and boom, you're good to go. The test of approval, when you press the fob button, the red light is going to appear at the top here. So that means you've done it well. Any questions, or if you need assistance, obviously come down to your stress-free dealership. We're more than happy to help you, or give us a phone call.